What's up, everyone? Welcome to Maths with Castin. I am Castin Mapala. Now let's have a look at our final example on this series of fractions. If you have not watched our first videos on this series, please make sure that you go and watch them so that you can be able to understand this one. So today's example is a little bit advanced, so let's deal with it step by step to make sure that you fully understand it. Okay, so let's have a look at here on our fraction here. Whenever we see plus or minus according to our lesson, we should be able to use the LCD and divide everything with the lowest common denominator. So what we have here, we have got, I need to start a bit here so that we can have enough space. Y plus 2. Right here at the bottom, we need to factorize this because this is the difference between two squares. Okay, why am I saying that? It's the difference between two squares. It's y and y. So what is the square root of 1? It's 1, so it's going to be 1 plus or minus on either side. There you go. So this will be minus. Here there's nothing that we can do to simplify this. It's going to be y plus 5, y minus 1 minus y minus 3 all over y plus 1. Okay, so what is our LCD here? Our LCD here would be y plus 1. Remember, LCD is everything at the bottom, y minus 1. Okay, so in this case, y plus 1, y minus 1 would go how many times here? Would go 1. So therefore 1 would be multiplied by this LCD, by this numerator here, so it's only 1, minus y plus 5 in bracket. So y minus 1 will have to go y plus 1 here. It's like they are cancelling out. If it's here, therefore whatever is not here would multiply with the numerator, minus y minus 3, y plus 1. What is not here? Y minus 1. So this y minus 1 will multiply by the numerator. Okay, so you would still have your LCD here at the bottom, y plus 1, y minus 1, y plus 2, minus, multiply everything that is in the bracket, binomial y squared. There you are going to have plus 6y plus 5. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm removing the bracket here, guys. This multiply by that, and then y multiply by that, 5 multiply by this, and then 5 multiply by 1, just like that. Okay, similar thing would apply here. Y squared, y times y will give us y squared. Therefore y times minus 1 will give us minus 1, minus 3 times minus 3 times y will give us minus 3y. So therefore minus y minus 3y will give us minus 4y. Negative and negative will give us plus 3 times 1 will give us 3, close bracket. Okay, therefore all over the LCD again until we finish until we finish simplifying the numerator. This is going to be y plus 2, multiply by the negative, don't forget the negative, multiply by the negative, y squared minus 6y minus 5 minus y squared plus 4y minus 3y. Okay, I'm gonna come up here to continue with this. Okay, so now if I have a look at here, we have got minus y squared minus y squared. Okay, so it's going to be negative y squared here, and then also what do you have here? I've got okay, y negative y is going to be negative 5y, and then plus y. So plus 4, negative 5 plus 4 is going to be negative y. Okay, and then I've got 2 there. Got negative 3 is going to be positive 3, and therefore negative It's going to be negative 3, negative 3. So it's going to be negative 6. Therefore, this will be all over y plus 1, and therefore y minus 1. Okay. And this is how you would deal with this example. So your final answer, this should be your final answer, right? Okay. And please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and it will continue to assist you with more examples on fraction. If you don't understand this example, please make sure that you leave a comment, or make sure that you check us out on one-on-one lessons. We'll be able to assist you, and then see you on the next upload.